Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. I'm here to help you out how to speak in Konkani language. In this video, I'm going to teach you some of the basic conversations that we use in our day-to-day life. Let's start with how to greet good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night in Konkani. So the first one, good morning or good afternoon. We say as Dev, Baro, Dis, Dev. Dev, Baro, Dis, Dev. Dev means God, Baro means good, Dis means day, Dev means give. Next one, good evening. For good evening in Konkani we say Dev, Bari, Sans, Dev. Dev, Bari, Sans, Dev. Bari means good, Sans means evening. Next one, good night. Dev, Bari, Raat, Dev. Dev, Bari, Raat, Dev. Bari means good, Raat means night. Now let's see some of the basic conversations that we use. When you want to ask somebody's name in Konkani, we say तुझे नाव कितें? तुझे नाव कितें? Here, what means कितें? Your means तुझे, name means now. If somebody asks you what is your name in Konkani, that is तुझे नाव कितें, then you are going to reply as मुझे नाव. For example, your name is Riya or Rohan, then you are going to reply as मुझे नाव Riya, मुझे नाव Rohan. That is, my name is Riya, my name is Rohan. If you want to ask a boy, how are you in Konkani? We ask as कसो आसा तू? कसो आसा तू? If you want to ask a girl, how are you? Then we say कशें आसा तू? कशें आसा तू? कशें आसा तू? If somebody asks you, how are you in Konkani? That is, कसो आसा तू or कशें आसा तू? We are going to reply as, if you are a boy, then you have to say, how baro asa? How baro asa? And if you are a girl, then you have to reply as, how bare asa? How bare asa? Next one, if you want to ask someone, where do you live in Konkani? We say as, तू खंय रावता? तू खंय रावता? तू खंय रावता? If someone asks you where do you live in Konkani, that is, tu khay rauta, then we reply as, for example, if you stay in Margao or Panjim, then you have to say as How Madgaon Rauta. How Madgaon Rauta. Your Madgaon is the name of the city. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is all for today. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know about the same with your comments. Thank you.